Good morning, student. Today we are going to start some more question for our first chapter, not from profit organization. Now today I am going to start one full question in which we are going to maintain opening balance sheet, income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. Okay, for that I am going to take the first question for this topic, and question number is and question number is 19. Okay beta, I am going to take the question number 19. Okay, before the starting of this question, again I like to explain these all three: opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet and income and expenditure account. Last classes we are just study about the income and expenditure account. Two side is there: income side, expenditure side. All the expenditure which is related with the current year in revenue nature, we are taking in the expense side. Same way, all the income or receipts which is related with the current year and in nature in revenue, we are going to take in income side. Okay, then taking the difference. If income side is more than expense side, so then surplus will come, and if expense side is more than income side, so then deficiency will come. For the balance sheet, opening balance sheet, all the last year data, all the last year assets and liability we are going to take, and difference amount is capital fund. After the calculating of capital fund, we are going to maintain the closing balance sheet. All the assets, old and new both on asset side, all the liability, old and new on liability side. Okay beta, now I am going to start the question number 19. Just see the question number 19. Open everyone in your book. Question number 19 beta. Open. Okay. Following the receipts and payment account is given. Okay, for Star Club. Okay beta. First is the balance, last year balance, subscription, interest, tournament fund, donation for special building extension, received from advertisement of the year one. Okay. Then salary, rent, printing and stationery, expenses on charity show, tournament expense, investment purchase, furniture and balance sheet, and then outside information is given. Subscription outstanding 31st March 18, it's the last year, 4500, 31st March 19, 6000 for current year. Same way, rent 1000 for last year and 1500 for current year. Purchase this furniture on 1st July. Okay, and last year club have furniture 8000 and investment 15000. Okay, now I am going to start the question with the opening balance sheet. Okay beta, first we are going to maintain the opening balance sheet. Just see. In this opening balance sheet, first we are going to show the cash, and in cash what we are showing beta, just see the opening balance. This two balance BD is opening balance 4400 beta na, that will show like a opening cash. Okay beta, that will show like a opening cash 4400 balance BD. Okay beta, that will show like a cash in opening balance sheet, and that closing balance of CD, that will show in a closing balance sheet as like a cash. Okay, so in opening balance sheet, cash 4400. Okay beta, then just go the outside. All the assets and liability which is given outside, just see outside they have the furniture for last year 8000 and investment 15,000. Okay beta, furniture and investment investment 15,000, furniture 8,000. Okay, then see last year outstanding or subscription outstanding for the last year 4,500 beta. Okay, subscription outstanding 4,500 and outstanding rent 1,000. Okay beta, now going to balance it 31,900. Okay, put this side 31,900 and different amount is 30,900. It's a capital fund. Okay beta, on this way we are going to maintain the opening balance sheet. First we are showing the cash, the balance, the opening balance is showing like a cash. Okay beta, clear? Now I am going to maintain the income and expenditure account. Okay beta, now going to start this opening income and expenditure account. First we are going to start with the payment side. First is beta salary. So 2 salary, no adjustment about the salary, 18,200. Okay beta, clear? Next rent, 2 rent amount is 15,000. Add outstanding current year less outstanding last year. Current year 1500, last year 1000 beta. It means 15,500. Okay beta, just see adjustment beta, just see in adjustment. Okay, then next printing and stationery. Printing and stationery 7,300. Then expense on charity show, no fund about the charity. Then 2 expense on charity, that's 16,100. Then tournament expense, we are not going to take the tournament expense because tournament fund is given. Okay, if tournament fund is given, then we are not going to search tournament or show the tournament expense. Both are going to be in balance sheet. Then investment purchase we are not going to take. Then furniture. Okay, clear? Just see outside 10% depreciation on furniture, and depreciation are showing on which side beta? Debit side. So you have old assets, old furniture 8,000. Okay beta, so on this 8,000 10%, 800 beta, and new is the 6,000 10%, but it's on 1st April. It means for 9 months, 9 upon 12, how much amount is coming? Total depreciation is 1250. Total depreciation is 1250. Okay beta, clear? From where we are going to take this all things? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, go for the income side. First is balance, we are not going to show. Second, subscription. Buy subscription. Subscription amount is 46,100. Then add outstanding current year less outstanding last year. Current year 6,000 last year, 6,500, 4,500. Then total is 47,600. Okay. Then next is interest. By interest amount is 2,500. Then tournament fund. When tournament expense is given and tournament fund is given, both are given. So both are taken in a where? In balance sheet. Okay. Then donation. Okay, beta. Donation. That donation we are going to not take here because two donation is there. Donation for building that will not take. Only donation we are going to take. Then buy. Donation amount is 6,000. Okay. Then receive from advertisement. Buy advertisement 5,200. Okay, beta. Nothing else. Going for totaling. Just see this side 0, 0, 5, 6, 11 to 13. 1 is remain. 10, 1, 2, 61, 300. And this side 10, 20, 30, 30,000, 38,000, 43,000, 50,000, 56,000, 56, 57,000, 58,350, 58,350, 50, 9, 2, 29, 2950. It's came. 2 surplus 2950. Okay, beta? Came? See the answer? Came or not? Came, beta? Clear? Clear or not? How we are going to solve this question? Clear, beta? No. Again, see. First, salary 18,200, then rent 15,000, add 1,500 current year outstanding, less 1,000 last year outstanding, then printing and stationery, then expense on charity, then depreciation, two furniture is there, one for old 8,000, new 6,000, new purchase on 1st June. So only 9th month depreciation will charge. Then this side subscription, add outstanding current year less outstanding last year, then interest 6,000, sorry 2,500, donation 6,000, and then advertisement receipt for advertisement, that amount is coming 5,200. Okay, beta? Now I am going to maintain the balance sheet, current year balance sheet. Okay, beta? Current year. It's same like a balance sheet, no changes there, but only see. First is in trading business, we are using capital, but here capital fund. And amount is 30,900. Add surplus 2950. 5833. Okay, beta? Then see liability side, or you say receipt side. Tournament fund is there. and tournament fund amount is 12,000 less expense. Expense that side 7,500. Okay, beta. Then 4,500. Clear? Tournament fund we are showing first and then tournament expense. Less the tournament expense. Next, donation for building. That amount is 20,000. Okay, beta. Then all the thing is finished from this side. Now going for the adjustment. Outstanding rent. Outstanding rent 1,500. Clear? Outstanding rent 1,500. Okay. Then go from this side. This closing balance is showing like a cash. Okay, beta. And the closing balance is 16,100. Then go for the assets. Investment. Last investment 15,000 and new purchase 10,000 beta. Okay. Total is 25,000. Furniture 8,000 plus 6,000 less 1250. 8 6 14. Then 1250 12 750. Okay. Next, furniture and investment both are finished, and anything else? Now adjustment. Outstanding subscription this year 6,000. I think finished. 058 9 6. Only 5, sorry. 5. This side 805 is okay. 1279 is okay and 5. Okay. On this way we are solving the question, beta. Clear? On this way we are going to solve one full question. Okay, in which all the thing is given. It means in that question we are going to maintain the opening balance sheet, then receipts and payment account, and then balance sheet. Clear? Clear or not? Any problems then ask about it in WhatsApp or by call. Okay. All thing is clear or not? Only one very important thing, beta. Opening balance is taking like a cash in opening balance sheet, and closing balance will take like a cash in closing balance sheet. Clear? Clear or not? Clear, beta? Clear, beta? Okay, now I'm going to start next question and try to explain one more question. Maybe we are not able to solve, but I will explain you all, then you will try at home, solve, then show me. Okay, next question, 20 number question. Maintained all the income and expenditure account for 31st March. Okay. And next question is beta. Here again all the thing is given beta. First two balance in capital fund we are taking it as like a balance, cash balance. Okay, when we are going to calculate the capital fund we are going to take like a what, like a cash balance. Okay beta. Then next subscription is there. Subscription included 800 something, 600 something, that will less beta. Okay, that subscription included is here. We are going to show subscription less 600. Okay, then outstanding for current year will add and outstanding for last year will less. Okay beta, outstanding of current year add, outstanding of last year will less. Then interest on investment we are showing here, and 50,000 in investment, that will show in a opening balance sheet. Okay beta, that will show in a opening balance sheet. When we are going to make the opening balance sheet, on that time we are going to show this investment in asset side, opening balance sheet. Okay, then next rent, bank interest put here only. Okay, and then sale of furniture. If the sale of furniture is given, 5,000 is value. Okay beta, 5,000 is value, and then we are going to sell on 2,400. So then loss on sale of furniture in debit side, means expense side beta. Okay, loss on sale of furniture we are going to the expense side. Okay, life membership fee in balance sheet. Life membership fee beta in balance sheet. Come on the expense side. Salary, very easy. Rent, if any outstanding, and in rent no outstanding. Okay, directly so on expense side. Then stationery, so the stationery on expense side, 2 stationery and 250 is outstanding of stationery. Okay, 1,000 rent outstanding, 1,000 beta. Okay, so that 1,000 in add in a rent, and our subscription stationery outstanding 2,250 add in a stationery. Then postage, printing stationery, bicycle, it's a assets. Okay beta, government bond, it's a like a assets. Then balance, it's a like a cash in a where, in closing balance sheet. In closing balance sheet. Okay beta, clear? First we are going to make the opening balance sheet. Okay beta, first we are going to make the opening balance sheet. In that opening balance sheet, opening cash 6,000. Okay beta, then investment 50,000. Okay, and then they have the plant lands value 50,000 and furniture value 15,000. Okay, this 50,000, 15,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 15,000, and 6 1 lakh 21,000, 1 lakh 21,000, and outstanding subscription 3,200, 1 lakh 24,200 less this outstanding. By that we are easily, outstanding rent will less than, by that 900 I think. Rent outstanding from the 31st March 19, 1,000, and payable is the 9,200. Okay, by this we are easily calculate the capital fund. After the calculating of capital fund, subscription and other income will show on the income side, and these all expense only ignore bicycle, government bond, and balance. Okay beta, all the showing this side. 250 add in a stationery, 1,000 add in a rent. Okay beta, it's for 19 now. Okay, clear? On this way we are going to solve the question. Okay, this question will try by you all. Okay, you all will try this question. and then if any problem is there, then tell about that. Okay? In next class, I will go for the next question. You will solve this question. You will try it and send me. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear now? Okay. Thank you.